Hi there and welcome back. It's Tania from Tatty Treasures. Hello, I hope everybody is doing okay. I'm thinking this one will go out Christmas Day. So if it does, I wish you all a very Merry Christmas. I hope you're all happy and good health and seeing family, or you know, talking to family and just having a nice day, whatever you know that looks like for you, whether you've chosen to spend it quietly or if you're out and about and all the rest of it. I do hope you have a very nice day. Thank you so much for all the support this year. It's very much appreciated. You've been absolutely wonderful, you know, not just watching the videos and liking them and commenting them, but yeah, you've just been brilliant. You've kept me going, kept me sane, and I know I've kept a few of you sane too. So have a super day. So this is probably a bit of an odd video for Christmas Day, and maybe a lot of you you know, will be too busy to watch it and it'll get lost and you might never ever see it. But I kind of wanted to do it to refocus back on doing this. Obviously I started this as I started getting poorly with depression and anxiety, with my mum passing away, and I suddenly stopped. So it's a guest design team project for Tina at Shabbydabbydoodah. It's her time travelers kit. I've also used the kit what's got all the sign names on. I think this is just a one sheet kit, and I've also used, I think it was called Letters and Lace. So these are those sheets, which it goes absolutely fabulous. So this is how it opens. Let's just move these to the side. So to me, I think I've totally finished this side. So we've got this here. And so I've obviously forgot what I've done. We've got one here with a material tab. They're nice. Oh, they're the ones that I think I did it on printed vellum and then stamped it and stuff. I think that was a Roxy challenge. Yeah, they're lovely, they are. I have to remember how to do them. So these are 3 envelopes. And it looks like there's pockets all at the back, so that's another one. And then they've all got these side little tucks. It's like I've stamped on that one. And then that's a postcard one. So that's that. And then I made this on a Treasure Tuesday. I think it was from a cake box, and I've put some Tim Holtz ephemera on it, and then this vellum from Your Creative Studio. Oh, I've made a little pad. Is that a pad? I've made a little pad there. Oh, that's so cute. That was a stamp from Your Creative Studio, and then I think that was another stamp. And I've just put some bits in. I think they're from Victorian Designs. They're nice. Done them like really quite ragged. So they fit in there. So I would say that side's done. And then this one is a vellum envelope. It's got a card inside. And then it's been decorated. I've got a little pad here. Does it come out? Yeah, it's got a little band. So that's that. Yeah, it's so weird to look through it. I feel like I've not even done this. Does anything happen here? No. Did I not put a card in here then? It feels like there's a card in here. No, I don't think I did. I must have just used the envelope as as a flip. So no. And then we've got this collage here. Love that. With a wax stamp there, what I've made into a fabric embellishment. Still feel like there's something in there, but no, there's definitely not. Then we've got this envelope pocket with lots of little bits in. Got this here. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's lovely. Like a snippet with a watch on it. And we've got a couple of cards here. I think I was channeling me in a Tina when I did this one. And then we've got this, which I think is opening one. So that's that. And then here, oh, I remember doing. Oh, I think this was the last one I did, you know, and I think I said I really don't feel very good. Got this little dangle on it, another one of the fabric embellishments. I really love these fabric embellishments, and it looks like I've cut more clocks and put them over the top. So that's that tag. So again, I would say that this side is done. I can't see anything what hasn't got anything. Just, no, maybe it hasn't then. Maybe I just wanted it for the flip. Okay. So that's that. That's Tim Holtz paper. So that's that side done. Obviously we need to do the front cover, or I could have this as the front. And so let's unwind this. I love this oval one. I've obviously used the Tim Holtz number brads. So that opens. Not put anything in there. I don't know if I was or if I wasn't. I suppose I was. That flips. That's open, so that needs a journal card in. Got this. Is that something, or is that stuck in there? I think. Oh yeah, I think that needs a tag. And what's this? Oh, that's a pocket there, look, which wants gluing down. I think I've just pulled that out. I don't know if it is a pocket. I'll have to look at that properly and either make it into a pocket or stick it down. And there's a pocket here, which obviously goes all the way down. And there's this, so I don't know if I was thinking of putting any more pockets on. I must have been, because it's a bit plain, that is. So if that was pocket, that's pocket, that's pocket. Probably need a side thing there. Maybe something flipping up there. Okay, so that's that side. So yeah, I think decorated wise it's done. It just needs the tags putting in, and then a couple more pockets. Just don't seem to want to. Oh, that's it. Right, let's do it round again. Okay, so then we've got this side. Yeah. So I don't know what this is. I think it's just embellishment, and then got that pocket there. Oh yeah, this is a side thingy, so I obviously want something in there. That's very nice. And I think that's a little tuck, so that wants something. A big card here. What's this? Oh, this is a pocket. and then obviously something wants going in here. So yeah, there is, I mean, as much as like when you first look at it, it's like, oh, it's near enough done. It isn't. Yeah, I need to do more to it than I thought. So, and then obviously it needs something at the back. I do love these strings, and at least it keeps everything in as well. So yeah, I think it's going to be quite chunky. So let's have a look. Now I've got this roll of gift wrap out. I was wondering about this for the cover, and then putting some of the elements, probably inking it down. I mean, what kind of, I don't know, I don't suppose it's, if I picked something, I don't know, maybe like this side, what's got a bit more black in there, like that. And then maybe like a Tim Holtz photo, and then some clocks on or something. That's what I'm kind of thinking for the front and back. So I've got a load of scraps left, so I'm guessing I can do some collage tags. I've got quite a few half sheets, so obviously these will be fine for some of the bigger journal cards and stuff that I need to make. Then since then I bought some candles, and this was the packaging, so maybe I can make some kind of pocket with this. I'm thinking of it with these holes, and then whatever you can put in, you can see them. So yeah, I'll probably use that. I've got some stickers, and this was the back. See, I did wonder about that on the front. Just cut this top bit off where the you know, the Chinese writing is from the actual packaging. What does is there a Tim Holtz person somewhere? See, I was thinking about putting one of the men at the front. With this kind of, yeah, I do like that. What does that look like with that? Looks okay. Yeah, I'm wondering about that. So we've got a few options. I think he's the only man doll I've got left, but I've got that man as well. I think that's all the photos of. I've got that. Oh, I've got another man. I like him. I think they're all nice, those men. Right, I prefer the men in these packs than the women for some reason. Yeah, so I can't really think of anything else. So yeah, I might put that down and then do some kind of collage over the top. What else are we looking at? So we've looked at what we've got left. We've looked at that packaging tag thing that I got. So put that in there. Then I've still got some of the street signs and the lampposts, and then I've still got quite a bit of, well, I've got loads of kit left. And some of it's card, so I'll be fine for, I think there's 3 card ones, so I'll be fine for tags and journal cards. That's Nanine's kit, this one. I think this is a lined backgrounds. I printed it wrong, so I have to print it again. So if I don't use these can go in just, you know, where I keep me stuff for backing things. Really like that one. Check one. So yeah, I think I'd just put those in for backing tags. So that's kit wise what I've got. So yeah, still enough. I've got plenty to finish. So that's that. We've got the wrapping paper. we've looked at the journal, and then I've got my 2 little boxes. This has got fabric-y stuff in, so I've still got some rick-rack. That's seam binding, got that thick. I could do, if you saw the brown auto file folder that I did, and I did a big ruffle would look nice down the side. This is like a silk. I'm going to keep that out. I need to change my cotton back to black, because I don't think I want it pearly at the front. No, I think I want it black. Still got some fluffy wool. That laces. I've still got quite a lot of black lace and what's this? Oh, more black lace. I think Denise sent me a load of this black lace. It's really very nice. I think I made a lot of the clusters with that. Let's pop that in there. And then I've got a bit of sparkly trim left, and some faux diamantes and some pearls. So yeah, I've still got a lot of materials in that. I think this is all I own in black. It's not really a colour that I do buy a lot, but I really do like it. It's very, very vibrant. So that's that box. And then in here, I've got some washi, and we've got a couple of Tim Holtz photos, some bits of, oh, that's pockets. That's another pocket. I think I made those on the Roxy Challenge, or I might not have done. Might have just made them. That's another pocket. And then I've got some quite big embellishments. I bought something, and I got some labels. So I thought I'd pop those in, and I've got like a chalk pen. So that might be interesting. I've got quite a few like journaling cards, and so I could definitely do like a collage on the front with all these bears. I'm going to be left with quite a lot of stuff. Don't know why we've got lace in here. I'm going to put that. Oh, they're and I thought I could, if I put a ruffle down the side and then stick one of those on, that would be very nice. So put that back in there. That's another little one. Another, and then yeah, oh, and another, and then this is, you know, oh, got another man there. All little bits and bobs. Got another washi. It's got the dragonflies on. That was from your creative studio. I think I've used that a couple of times because it's got the blue in, like the butterfly. Oh, that was one of the embellishments that I made. So yeah, we've got plenty of stuff. I'll definitely be able to get it finished, but I'm not going to do the cover till I've finished. Let's put the bigger things towards the bottom. I could do with another box really, with one with little things and one with big things. Right, so that is it. All I wanted to do was come on and refresh my mind, refresh your mind, tell you that this is what I'm going to be doing. Wish you a Merry Christmas, and I'll be back later with the first getting on with it video, and then I think tomorrow, which is Boxing Day in the UK, I'll put 2 videos up, and we might then you know, get it finished. So we'll have to see. So that's going to be what we're going to be up to the next couple of days. So thank you very much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed looking what we've still got left to use, and I will see you later on today. Hope you're having a lovely day. Bye for now.